It is an honor as a Sikh American and the Vice Chair of the California Republican Party to share a prayer from my faith tradition, Sikhism, the fifth largest religion in the world. Ardas is a Sikh prayer appealing to the one God above for protection and guidance, a reminder to uphold the Sikh and American values of humility, truth, courage, service, justice for all, and gratitude for all that our Creator has given to us. A Sikh always covers her head when offering this prayer. तू ठाकर तुम पे अरदास जियो पिंड सब तेरी रास तुम मात पिता हम बारक तेरे तुमरी कृपा में सुख कनेरे कोई न जाने तुमरा अंत ऊंचे ते ऊंचा भगवंत सगल समगरी तुमरे सूत्रधारी तुम ते होए सो आज्ञाकारी तुमरी गत मित तुम ही जानी नानक दास सदा कुर्बानी. Dear Waheguru, please bless these delegates from all over this great nation you have created, with the integrity to perform faithfully our sworn duty to nominate leaders to take America in the right direction. Please protect us from evil and create prosperity for all Americans. Waheguruji, please give us the courage to make the right choices, to make common cause with those with whom we may disagree, for the greater good of our nation. Waheguruji, forgive us our shortcomings, our oversights, and the times when we may fall short of fulfilling the roles that you have chosen for us. Nanak naam chardi kala tere pane sarbat tapala, which means, through our prophets, teachers, and spiritual guides, may your name forever grow, God, and may your spirit be exalted, and may all humanity prosper by your grace. Thank you.
All right.